Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you about the James Laker. But before starting this video I will request you to please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Then now let's start the video. James Lakers lay in 9 February in 1922 in 23 April in 1986 was an English professional cricketer who played in the Surrey County Cricket Club from the 1980s, 1946 and 1959 and represented English in 46 test matches. He was born in the Shipley, West Riding and died of William Dallin, London. At right arm of the break bowler, Laker is the generally regarded one of the greatest spin bowlers in the cricket history. In 1956, he achieved a still equivalent of the world records when he took 19 of the maximum 20s in wickets of the test matches at the Old Trafford in the cricket ground of the Manchester, enabling England of the defeat Australia. It was what has become in the known as a Laker match. At club level, he formed of the forever spin partnerships with the donkey leg in the left arm outrigging in the spinner. They had playing in key words in the success of Surrey team through in 1950, including 7 consecutive county championship of the title 1952. Laker of the battles in the right-handed as a useful tail under the score, who is the countries of the farmer. He was considered a good fielder, especially in the goal positions. For his achievement in 1951, Laker was selected Wisden characters in the Academy Wisden, one of the 5 Wisden. In 1359, in the New Zealand Cricket Announcer Player in 1952 edition, he was selected as a New Zealand Cricket and Lemon Player for the year in 1952 after playing the Auckland in 1951 season. In the survey benefit season released in the end of the year, he was voted BBC Sports Personality of the Year, the first cricketer to win the award. A later work in the BBC Sport and the club's international commentaries. It is outside broadcast transmissions of the Jim Laker was born in the West Riding of the Yorkshire. He was raised by his father Anil Khan of the Scotland, teacher in the Four Sisters of and father. His father in the stone mason called Charles Laker had deserted the family when Jim, the 2 years old Laker, began playing cricket at a very early age. His mother was a lifelong interest in of the game, and throughout the childhood he played cricket continually with her full encouragement. She used to make his sister bow to him because she was convinced he had to making a batsman. In the years of around 1930, Elans in was employed of the Foreign Council schooling in the Bedford, which Laker in attend in 1932. He won a grammar school scholarship which attended him to a free place at the Slade High School and nearby Slatters in about that time. Took up in the blood, which is the need of the relationship, and Laker was able to enjoy a settled home life through 7 years. He said later the every happy Slade of became a regular member of the school cricket team, playing primarily as a batsman but also a fast bowler. In Laker was invited to attend especially coaching by John Shear's currently cricket club of their own shared in the Head Ingley, and he recalled in the mother taking him to buy new cricket gears of shop in the Leeds. He said to sacrifice she made was fright gone in the attempts of the success as a cricketer. Coaching sessions were run by the former country batsman Benny Wilson in was the first offshore Laker. He was spin the ball to encourage him to develop the Wilson in the range coaching classes. Laker was also coached by the former layers of the player heard in the Mercy Leyland attempts of the board recommended him to join a Slater cricket club who played in the Brantford League, and he made his debut from at their Robert Park ground against Aberdeen. His club in local club in he played the Slade Saltaire of 3 seasons in from 1938 and 1940. He is one occasions according a century in sessions. His last at school he played for Slade HC and Saturday morning of the Slade years in 1952 in the commentary in the round Rabbit of became Charles at least in the first of Conchals spinners before the Second World War. Charlie Lee in the Lakers Slater's teammates had a similar recollections to enjoy himself with about every appearing to have the making of a great bowler. Okay ji guys, I hope to enjoy this video. Please and families and comments this video and share with all family members. Take care. Allah Hafiz.